Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a travel vlog and I'm traveling from Lagos, Nigeria to Amsterdam, Netherlands. Flight time today is 6 hours 40 minutes and I will be flying on KLM's Airbus A330-200. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my world. Please do well to like and comment on this video, and more importantly, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you are my real MVP and thank you so much for coming back. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Now let's head to Amsterdam, Netherlands. At this point, I was now getting slightly worried because the queue was longer than I really expected. It was less than 2 hours 30 minutes before planned departure and I had not even entered the airport. When I eventually entered and tried checking my bags in, I was told I had to pay 55,000 naira for extra luggage because my baggage was above the maximum baggage limit. It was less than 40 minutes to departure, and of course you could tell I was literally running to the gates now because I did not want to miss my flight. After countless number of really torturing queues, we finally made it. The flight was eventually delayed by over an hour because it took so much time before boarding was completed. The flight attendants demonstrated a pre-flight safety briefing, and afterwards we were now ready to taxi to the runway before taking off. Dinner was served an hour into the flight and it was potato sauce, vegetable salad and chicken. Fruit salad was added as an appetizer while chocolate was served as dessert. The food was really nice and for me it's an 8/10. The fruit salad was pretty salty and I did not enjoy it, to be honest. It's a 5/10 for me. The flight was not exactly a smooth one. As we approached Barcelona in Spain, the flight became really bumpy. We were experiencing what is called mechanical turbulence, I believe. Even though I tried catching some sleep regardless, it was very difficult as I kept waking up intermittently. About an hour before landing, we were given morning snacks with an option of coffee, tea, carbonated drink, juice, or juice, depending on your state of origin. It was pretty nice and I would give it a 9/10. We started making our descent into Netherlands, and I must say that Netherlands is really beautiful. I hope my itinerary brings me back to Netherlands later in the year by God's grace. I'd like to say a big thank you to Petroleum Technology Development Fund, PTDF, for sponsoring this flight as I was heading to the UK for my master's degree program. If you're a Nigerian and you've not watched my video on the PTDF Overseas Scholarship, please check the description box below for the link so you can be better prepared for the next application cycle.
Hartelijk welkom op Schiphol, welkom in Nederland, welkom thuis.
My overall KLM experience was very lovely and it's an 8 over 10. Apparently, my Lagos airport experience was far from being the best. Flight attendants were, however, lovely and very professional. In-flight food and entertainment were pretty good. Just in case you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, it's going to be an absolute pleasure for me to have you in my space. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video.